Not quite the exact shade I'd choose to wrap my expensive Mercedes, but more power to them. This is my first time seeing these in hand, the Nike Adapt BB 2.0s. I'll say right off the bat, these look way better than the first version. Not that the first version looked bad, these just look more sleek. I love that heel cup, looks really cool. You can tighten them, you can loosen them just with that button right there. This is crazy that this exists and is a real thing. Oh my goodness, look how tight they, look at this. Look how cool that is. I don't know what the practicality of this is. Like, I mean, I can easily tie my own shoes, but that being said, it is still the coolest thing ever. And I really want to buy a pair, but they're unfortunately, I mean, how much are they? Like $400 or something. So I wanted to come through Nike today because, I don't know, probably 40 or 50 of you guys hit me up on Instagram and told me that they restocked these, and you were not lying. They restocked these, which is crazy. Now, this is a size, I'm gonna guess like 16. I don't know what size, but 14. It's only a size 14. I'm honestly gonna inquire and see if they have smaller sizes. I highly doubt they have smaller sizes. Look at this shoe is bigger than my future. This is absolutely insane. I doubt they have a size 12, but we're going to ask. Do you have a size 12 in these by chance? All right, appreciate it. Thank you so much. As I thought, size 14. I don't know why they restocked them, and thank you guys for letting me know that they restocked them. I just took my sweet time getting over here, so I didn't get my size. I think this might be the best mood that I've been in all of 2020. I mean, it is beautiful out, it's sunny, it's really, really, really nice to be back in New York. I cannot stress that enough. And most of all, the best way to tell that I'm in a good mood is that I was bold enough to wear a white pair of shoes. We have the metallic navy Jordan 1s on feet today. I can't say that I've worn white shoes in the middle of February too often living in Canada. So this is a pretty nice change. With the amount of shoes that came out All-Star Weekend in Chicago, I mean, we had the New Beginnings pack, we had the Off White 5s, we had some Nike SBs, we had some Just Dawns, we had Air Forces, we had Kevin Durant's, and of course we had the Yeezy Quantums. It was an expensive weekend. I mean, if you were trying to get everything, you were easily spending $3,000, $4,000, maybe even $5,000, and I think overall I did pretty good, but... Okay, I want to talk about these for a second. The last video that I did, I unboxed these, I showed you guys these. I was very, very happy to get these and gave you my full and complete thoughts on this pair of shoes, and then was followed up by lots of people saying I got scammed. I really question if people know what the word scammed means. Scam doesn't mean you paid too much for something or you didn't understand what you were buying. Scammed means you bought something and didn't receive what you paid for. Or you received fake goods, or you had your money stolen from you. People should really look up the dictionary definition of scams. I paid $1,020 for these, which is 100% above market price. And I had tons of people saying, Tom, you're an idiot. Why didn't you buy these on StockX? You could have saved so much money. True, but also not really. So 99.999% of the regular population buys a pair of shoes because they want to wear the pair of shoes, or maybe because they want to resell them in the future. In which case, yes, makes total sense to just buy them off StockX, wait the week and a half because who cares, and save $200 or $250. Me, on the other hand, not the case. Obviously, a major source of my income is making videos about new sneaker releases, and having the sneaker when it is new and popular and in search recommendations is a massive advantage. So buying this pair of Off-White 5s and getting a review out the same weekend that it releases is a huge advantage to my income. If I bought it off StockX and waited a week and a half or 2 weeks, no one would really care about the shoe anymore and it would get less views and I wouldn't make as much money off of the video. When it comes down to it, you need to spend money to make money, and this is a capital investment. This is like buying a new photocopier for your office or hiring a new employee. I mean, you need to spend money to have an income. So right now, at this very moment, a size 13 is going for $751. So you might say, Tom, that's $270 cheaper than you bought it for. You got scammed. Once again, look up the definition of the word scammed, but still, $751 plus sales tax, which is 7% in New York City, which is roughly $45. So let's just say that puts you at $800 flat. Now I'm only $220 in the hole. Then you have the $15 of shipping. Now I'm only $185 in the hole. Let's even call it $190 in the hole. That $190 that I had to spend on these, when you factor in me getting them on release weekend, making a video as soon as possible, and having the most amount of views on it as possible, that $190 is a far cry from a loss. I mean, obviously I'm making ad revenue off the video, I'm getting new subscribers off the video, and if I want to, I can just sell these for the current market value. Point being is I probably had 100 comments saying I got ripped off and scammed, and to the average person I completely understand, yeah, that would be the case. But for someone whose job it is to make content about shoes, I mean, this goes for me, this goes for Kais, this goes for Blazendary, Seth Fowler, Bullet RC, spending money on shoes is how we make money. So I was more than happy to buy these for $1,020, and once again, thank you to the guys who just happened to live upstairs by where we were filming our on foot video. I don't know, I just wanted to clear that up. I enjoy explaining business and how I make money and how you can make money, and I mean, not that I'm saying you can make money by paying too much for shoes, you probably can't. I also had a lot of people saying these were fake. They're not fake. I mean, there's a receipt from the Jordan store in Chicago in the box. Is that just like a special breed of trolling of people that call every shoe fake? If it is, I tip my hat to you. I fixed my boosted board! Yes! It was a really simple fix. There's just a motor belt, the motor belt ripped a little bit. It happens a lot. You need to change your motor belts like every few hundred miles on the boosted board, and I just hadn't changed it, or maybe it got caught on a rock or something. I don't know what the deal was, but the boosted board is fixed. No, I do not have a helmet on. I'm very, very, very sorry, but I'm going to basketball, and then we go to a bar after basketball every single week, and I don't want to bring my giant ass silver helmet to the bar because that's a pain in the butt. But you guys are absolutely wonderful. I love you guys so much. You're my favorite people on earth. It's freezing outside. I'm gonna go score 4 points in an incredibly subpar, mediocre athletic performance. I will see you tomorrow, and until next time, guys, have a good one, and peace.